Seat time is the most important thing for a driver, especially when you're young.
It's really nice to have a winter program where other teams can come, get an idea where everyone stacks up.
Having an academy that's led by experienced people, it's most definitely going to help, and it's vital in a racing driver's career.
And it allows me as a business to grow and my drivers to grow.
They're usually going to have to break a little bit earlier.
They show them what is good, what is bad, what they can repeat, what they cannot repeat.
It's just doing it right.
Sebring International Raceway, one of the most historic, famed racetracks in all of North America, and we are so happy to have it play host to rounds 4, 5, and 6 of the 2021 Yacademy Winter Series Championship.
There's a whole bunch of very talented drivers in this Yacademy series, and it was pretty good to go up against a lot of them.
To the inside. He's already got Nikita Johnson, his teammate, to the outside. 3 abreast to turn number 1 here. That's going to be tight. And as they go down to the first corner, it will all fan out once again. Veterans of the Yacademy US Championship, and now they're racing down the back straightaway for the very final time. Battle for the lead and the win going from turns 17 and 18. It was a matter of time till we finally saw him on the top step, and he ends the championship that way. Your round 6 winner, Matt Christensen! And staying consistent all the way down to the final race of the championship with a second place result to get another podium. $5,000 to your champion, Nico Christodoulou.